Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. If you want to fix the issue where you are not able to share an Instagram story to your Facebook application, in today's video we are going to guide you through the process. So let's just dive right in and get started. Open up the Instagram application for that and log in into your account if you're not logged in, and you may go to your profile from here in the bottom right corner. So tap on it and then access your profile right here. From here, look out for the three lines in the top right corner to access the menu. And from the given menu, look out for the account center and tap on it. Once you tap on account center, you can look out for your accounts option, and you need to verify that your Facebook account is listed, and just go ahead and do so. So you can just go over and look out for this option called instead sharing across profiles and tap on it. And from here, if you have not added Facebook, you may just go ahead and add a Facebook right now. I already have it, but if you have not, you can tap on this option called add accounts, or just go over and share a select option of Facebook from the given list that should be available. Now, what we need to do is basically go ahead and make sure the toggle for your Instagram stories is turned on. So you can just go over and turn it on by tapping on your Facebook account and looking for the option of your Facebook story or Instagram story. So you can just go and turn this toggle option right here. And once you turn it on, that should ensure that is set to your Instagram account or your Facebook account. And that is set when you just go over and close this and open up your Instagram application once again and try uploading the story. It should be shared to Facebook. Also, make sure both of your Instagram and Facebook apps are updated to the latest version. Go to Play Store for that, and within Play Store, go to the search and search for Facebook and Instagram, each Facebook, and look out for update if there is any kind of update available. Same goes for Instagram as well. Just go over and search for Instagram and look out for update if there is any kind of update available. If the above steps do not work, what we can do is we can try reinstalling the Instagram application itself. Hold the application, go over and look out for the install option and tap on it and confirm it up. And just go and reinstall the Instagram application again and link your Facebook account again through the account center. And that way, you should be able to fix the Instagram story not being shared to your Facebook. So that is it, everybody. You may follow the steps for that. Do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.